Now I am present Dinaspur famous place Matasagar. We see a big one kind of pond, but people call sea. With my heart-live person, Amrita Bhai, nicely behaved person, and
innocent
another big brother, great man. I love her personality. Now I am buying a one cigarette. I loved smoke. Now I smoke. The weather called pot weather. weather demand. And coming with a group of beauty angle. I am bachelor. I always search angle. Come in.